Hello everyone, this is Deepthi. Welcome to City Collections. Today I am going to show you Mangalgiri Pattu sarees. You can log on to our website www.citycollections.in. All these sarees are available on our website, and also we have provided a link in the description where you can go through our collection. Let's see the collection. First saree, this is orange and green Mangalgiri Pattu saree in silver zari. It has got all over peacock and mango booty. Can you see that? It's very beautiful with a khadi border, big border on one side and small border on the top. And this is the pallu in silver zari. And this is the blouse in green. Even it comes with a small border on one side and a big border on one side. It is priced at 3,950 rupees. We'll see the next saree. Dark pink and green Mangalgiri Pattu saree in silver zari. It has all over peacock booty and also mango booty with a khadi border, 5-inch khadi border on one side and 2-inch khadi border on the top. This is the pallu in silver zari, and this is the blouse. This is how it looks. This is priced at 3,950. Let's see the other sarees. This is steel green and pinkish red combination Mangalgiri Pattu saree. This is a handloom saree in silver zari. It has got all over peacock booty and a bud design flower booty. One side it is 5-inch border, khadi border, and other side it is 2-inch border. This is the pallu in pinkish red with silver zari, rich pallu, and this is the blouse. This is how it looks. It is priced at 3,950. Let's see the other saree. Black and green Mangalgiri Pattu saree, handloom saree in silver zari. It has got peacock booty all over and a bud booty also with a khadi border along with peacocks on both sides, similar to the Kanchi borders. One side it is 5-inch border and the other side it is 2-inch border. And this is the pallu in silver zari. And it comes with blouse like this. When you team it, it looks very beautiful. It is priced at 3,950. Let's see the other saree. Rustic brown and green Mangalgiri Pattu saree, handloom saree. It has got a khadi border with peacocks on both sides, similar to the Kanchi borders. 5-inch border on one side and 2-inch border on the other. It has got peacock booties all over with the bud design booties also. Rustic color, it's a very rare combination. This is the pallu in silver zari, and this is the blouse, green blouse, contrast blouse. It is priced at 3,950. We'll see our next color combination. Beautiful purple and green combination Mangalgiri Pattu saree, handloom saree. It has got peacock and bud design booties all over with a Kanchi style border in both sides with peacocks on both sides. And this is the pallu in silver zari, and it comes with a green blouse, contrast blouse like this. When it's paired, it looks so beautiful, purple and green combination. It is priced at 3,950 rupees. Let's see the other color combination. Blue and rustic orange Mangalgiri Pattu saree in silver zari with a khadi border on either side with peacock booties. And the saree has got all over paisley, that is mango booties and peacock booties in silver zari. Very nice color combination. This is the pallu in rustic orange with silver zari. And here comes the blouse in rustic orange. This saree is priced at 3,950. Black and rustic orange Mangalgiri Pattu saree in silver zari with Kanchi style borders. 5-inch border on one side and 2-inch border on other side. It has got all over paisley booties and peacock booties. And this is the pallu in rustic orange. And here comes the blouse in rustic orange. And it is priced at 3,950 rupees. Let's see the other color combination. green and burgundy color Mangalgiri Pattu sari in silver zari with kanchi border on one side, 5-inch border and 2-inch border on the top. It has got paisley booties all over. And this is the pallu, contrast color. And here comes the blouse. It is priced at 3,950. Pista green and pink Mangalgiri Pattu sari. It's a tissue sari with ikat border on one side. It's almost 10-inch length on one side and 2-inch on the other side. This is how it looks. This is the pallu in contrast color. And this is the blouse in pink tissue. It is priced at 3,200 rupees. Let's see the other sari. Dark green and pink Mangalgiri Pattu sari in gold and silver tissue with ikat border on one side, 10-inch ikat border and a 2-inch border on top. And this is the contrast pallu in pink. This is the blouse. It is priced at 3,200 rupees. Let's see the other sari. Red, purple, green Mangalgiri Pattu sari in silver zari with ikat border on one side and kadi border on the other side, 2-inch border. This is the pallu in green color. And this is the blouse in green color. This sari is priced at 2,950 rupees. Black and blue Mangalgiri Pattu sari in green ikat border along with kadi borders. This is how it looks. A unique color combination. This is the pallu in blue and silver zari. And this is the blouse. It is priced at 2,950 rupees. Let's see the next sari. Green and pink Mangalgiri Pattu sari in ikat borders and kadi borders. It has got a 10-inch border on one side and 2-inch border on the other side. This is how it looks. The ikat design. This is the pallu in pink and silver zari. And this is the blouse. It is priced at 2,950 rupees. Okay friends, hope you all like the saris today. These saris are available on our website www.citycollections.in as well as a store at Nizampet. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, City Collections, and click on the bell button too to get notified as soon as we upload the video. If you have any queries, you can call us or WhatsApp us to the number shown on the screen below. Thank you friends.